Kia ora, Kia ora, good morning. It is Thursday the 2nd of July. I'm Mike from Markets. My voice is a little dicey this morning. I was at Matt's leaving function last night. Not the Matt who sits over there and does a lot of the work on first hand. A different Matt. Yeah, so many Matts. But only one Kiwibank Markets in a minute. That's this. Yeah, okay, so what happened overnight outside of Matt's leaving function? Well, the US dollar fell a little out of favour, and global equities, they were mixed but with a slight upward bias. Yeah, that upward bias led by the US indices, really. 3 consecutive days of rallies for the S&P 500, if you're keeping count. Not massive rallies, but consistency is good. Yeah, anyway, those two things, the positivity in equities, the negativity in the greenback, serve to support the New Zealand dollar. So for the past a little bit more than 24 hours, the bird has been bouncing off support around 64.4, and overnight it managed to scratch a high of 64.9, and this morning we were opening around 64.7. Middle of the overnight range, kind of a no man's land thing, yeah. Kiwi crosses, yeah, bit of movement there, but not much. Kiwi sterling dipping back below 52 pence. That's probably the most notable move of those crosses overnight. All in all, yeah, just a bit of a meandering evening across risk assets. Yeah, most are higher, but the price action, the volatility, it just wasn't compelling. Yeah, the evening, it's like the equivalent of a Netflix movie you have on in the background while you're doing the ironing or something. It's just sort of happening around you. And that uncompelling, meandering path higher, probably the result of the mixed bag of market sentiment drivers that we had overnight. So quickly running through those, geopolitics regarding China and Hong Kong, UK getting in the mix there, impacting the pound, COVID cases in the US, surging, and concerns of more potential surging with the Independence Day weekend, this weekend coming up. Tentatively positive vaccine headlines from Pfizer, talk of another round of individual US stimulus payments, Fed meeting minutes, not really much there, and slightly better than expected US manufacturing numbers, and a slightly confusing US ADP employment survey. Yeah, on that last one, that's a private survey, but the official US employment figures for June, they will come out tonight, a day early. You might remember May's numbers from about a month ago. Seemed a little bit too good to be true. Yeah, we'll link to some of that stuff in first hand. But yeah, the employment data tonight and how that data is interpreted, that's really the next big risk event for markets. Everyone's going to be gearing up for that. I'll be gearing up for that. I hope you're gearing up for that. Okay, my voice is really going to go. So I think that's it. Have a happy Thursday. Ka kite anō.